sir, can I help you?
I think I want to service my motor.
Oh, of course. Come follow me.
Okay. Boss, can I get a new oil engine and new spark plug?
Can. I will be right back.
Okay.
Sir, this is your item for your motorbike.
Oh, okay. Good. Thank you.
Later that same evening.
Boss,
Yes.
I think I want new accessory for this motor.
What kind of accessory you looking for?
I think this side mirror.
New side mirror. Let me check at rack.
Okay, alright.
Sir, actually we have a special side mirror. This is made by Rizoma. You can look it.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, I will try it.
Excellent.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
Boss, who's in charge?
What's wrong, sir? Do you have any snack?
I said I want new side mirror, but this broken side mirror.
I apologize, sir. If you don't mind, we can change be better one.
No. Just call your manager. Now.
Okay, sir.
10 seconds later.
Yes, I'm a manager here. What can I help you, sir?
Manager, I found this scratch in my side mirror.
What? Can I see it?
Boss, I found out this broken. What's supposed to be?
Hey, Ahmad. Are this customer already left or not?
Not yet, boss.
We apologize, sir, for that. Allow me to replace it with a new one. I assure you, it won't happen again. As a token, we won't charge you for a new one. Okay?
Okay, this okay, boss. But I hope I want this mounted a new item side mirror, the best quality.
You will not, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. This is your new side mirror. We will handle it with extra care. And I'm truly sorry for the inconvenience about that.
Okay, that's alright. But you people have been running workshop is so long.
It's a random mistake, sir. I apologize on behalf of my staff. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Okay. Come here again, huh?
Alright. But this
Rasa kita tak kita.
I assure you, it won't be happen that again.
Woi, pintu.
is good. It's okay. But I hope. But it's okay. But I want Indian and I hope.
Dapat bagi. Oh ya, boleh bos ni dia.